Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty lava cake in an air fryer. To make these lava cakes, take your serving bowls and grease it liberally with butter, and then take a 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder and dust it evenly. Grease it very well, only then when you invert the lava cakes onto your serving platter it will come out easily, otherwise it will stick to your bowls. So grease it liberally with butter and cocoa powder. Now we'll start preparing the batter. This is an eggless batter. First add some all-purpose flour or maida, and then add some cocoa powder. Then add some powdered sugar. Then add baking powder and baking soda. I have given all the ingredients list in detail in the description box, you can check it out. Finally add a little bit of salt and also add some coffee powder. This will lift the taste and flavor of this cake. Mix it all well together. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla and some oil. Finally add the milk and slowly mix to make a smooth lump-free chocolate batter. Don't over mix the batter, just mix it till it all comes together to make a smooth batter. Now transfer the chocolate batter into the prepared ramekins. Now take the air fryer and set it at 180 degrees Celsius and preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take a toothpick and mix the batter because it's been sitting for some time. Just mix it lightly. Then I'm adding a piece of chocolate. This is optional. Even without the chocolate, the lava cake will ooze out very well. But if you want, you can add a piece of chocolate. Make sure this chocolate is at room temperature. Open the preheated air fryer basket and place it in. We will be able to place only 2 ramekins at a time. Place it in gently, close the basket and cook this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the air fryer basket and your lava cake will be perfectly done. Remove this and let it rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, you can put the next 2 ramekins inside. Similarly, set the timer for 5 minutes and let it cook. After 5 minutes, open the basket and gently remove the ramekins. Don't invert and cut into the lava cake immediately. Let it rest for 5 minutes and then you can cut into your lava cake. So after 5 minutes of resting my lava cakes, here now I'm able to touch the ramekins. It's not hot. Invert it onto a plate. If you've greased your bowls well, it will just slide out of the bowl onto the plate. And then cut into it. All my 4 ramekins had the perfect ooze, the perfect lava cake. As you can see, even without the chocolate piece that we added, the cake itself oozed out beautifully. So it's okay if you don't add the extra dairy milk chocolate piece. If you follow the temperature and the timings mentioned perfectly and rest the cake for 5 minutes before cutting into it, you will definitely be able to make a beautiful chocolate lava cake. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.